Kapoor and Dr. Richa Katiyar is my gynecologist. She helped bring my beautiful baby boy into this world 4.5 years ago. Dr. Richa is extremely efficient, caring, and most of all, very accessible. I conceived naturally and had a smooth pregnancy till the emergency at the end. And I was very keen on a natural childbirth. But even after 39 weeks of pregnancy, my labor pains had not begun. Dr. Richa had planned to induce labor, and we had set a date for that. 4 to 5 days before that, Dr. Richa told me to go and get a stress test done. So I got the stress test done, and the hospital people, the doctors there, they told me that everything was fine and I could leave. I sent a copy of the report of the stress test to Dr. Richa, and she told me that, Aarti, something is not right and you need to go back in and get the stress test done again, but this time for double the duration. So I went again with my husband, and after about half an hour of them monitoring the baby's heart rate, they couldn't find it anymore on the screen, and I started panicking, and my husband immediately called Dr. Richa, and Dr. Richa told him that I know that Aarti wanted a natural delivery, but baby is in distress and we need to go in now. So I was taken upstairs and was being prepared for a C-section, and then when I was being wheeled into the operation theatre, I asked my husband, where is Dr. Richa? And then I heard her voice and she said, I'm right here, Aarti. And she delivered a healthy baby boy, and that too in nick of time. My amniotic fluid had dried up and the baby was in distress. We are so grateful to you, Dr. Richa, that with your expertise and amazing diagnosis, everything turned out fine. And thank you so much for always being there and for having such a kind heart and helping others always. Thank you so much.